What if I told you there's a simple little drink you could take first thing in the morning, and in just 10 days you might actually start noticing your belly looking flatter and that uncomfortable bloating finally easing up? Sounds almost too easy, right? But hear me out. For centuries, people before us already knew the secret. Our ancestors lived close to nature and understood the incredible healing power of simple, natural ingredients. They didn't have endless supplements or complicated diets, yet they thrived by using what was already provided for them. They discovered that often the simplest remedies turned out to be the most powerful ones. Even the Bible points to this wisdom. In Genesis 1:29 it says, "Then God said, I give you every seed-bearing plant on the face of the whole earth, and every tree that has fruit with seed in it. They will be yours for food." To me, that's a reminder that the very things we need for healing and health are already here, right in front of us, given freely through nature. And that's exactly what I want to share with you today. A powerful yet simple combination of just 3 ingredients that, when used consistently, can truly make a difference in how you feel. Now, this isn't about chasing a quick fix or some magic cure that disappears overnight. It's about working with your body's natural rhythm, calming inflammation and supporting your digestion so that your system finally feels balanced again. So let's dive in. Let me walk you through these 3 everyday ingredients that make this morning drink so surprisingly effective. The first ingredient might surprise you. It's simply warm water. Not cold, not scalding hot, but comfortably warm water. You might be thinking, really? Just warm water? But don't underestimate the power of this simple element. Warm water has remarkable benefits for your digestive system. When you drink warm water, it helps relax the muscles in your digestive tract. Think about how a warm bath relaxes your entire body. Warm water has a similar effect on your insides. It's what we call a vasodilator, which means it opens up your blood vessels and relaxes the smooth muscles that line your entire digestive system. The consumption of warm water facilitates digestion by relaxing the intestinal muscles, thereby reducing the likelihood of constipation. It additionally stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which are vital for the efficient breakdown of food and absorption of nutrients. The thermic effect also induces satiety, moderating appetite, while its rapid gastric emptying may contribute to an increased metabolic rate and subsequent digestive relief. Using warm water in this manner is a beneficial practice for maintaining bodily health. The second magical ingredient is fresh lemon juice. Now, I know you have probably heard about lemons 100 times before, but trust me, there is a reason people keep coming back to them. Lemons are absolutely loaded with vitamin C, and that little nutrient is one of the most powerful antioxidants you can give your body. It protects your cells from damage and helps calm down inflammation that might be making you feel sluggish and bloated. When you squeeze lemon into warm water, something special happens. It creates a simple but effective drink that supports your digestion in several ways. The citrus flavour itself actually triggers your body to start working. Think about what happens when you taste something sour. Your mouth waters instantly, right? That same reaction happens deeper inside your stomach and intestines, where the extra digestive juices and enzymes kick in to help break down food more efficiently. On top of that, lemons have natural anti-inflammatory powers. They can ease bloating and bring relief if you are dealing with irritation in your digestive tract. And here is the interesting part. While lemons taste acidic, once they are metabolized by your body, they actually become alkalizing. That means they help balance your body's pH level, which is important for processing nutrients properly. When your body is in that more alkaline state, it has an easier time breaking down food and reducing stored fat. And let's not forget about your immune system. The vitamin C in lemons gives it a major boost, helping you fight off infections and stay healthier overall. When your immune system is strong, there is less inflammation throughout your body, including your digestive system. The lemon really is one of those perfect gifts from nature, a small fruit packed with powerful healing qualities that were put here to nourish and protect us. Now, let's talk about the third and final ingredient, apple cider vinegar. You might have seen it sitting on a kitchen shelf and thought it was just another cooking ingredient, but this fermented product of apples is actually packed with benefits. It contains acetic acid along with vitamins, minerals and other compounds that give your metabolism a real boost. One of its most powerful effects is how it helps regulate blood sugar levels. After you eat, it slows down how quickly sugar gets absorbed into your bloodstream. That means fewer spikes and crashes and more stable energy throughout the day. This stability is important because it lowers your risk of insulin resistance, which is often the first step toward problems like metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. But the benefits do not stop there. Apple cider vinegar can also help with fat metabolism. If your belly issues are connected to stubborn fat around your waist, this ingredient can actually help mobilize and burn that fat more efficiently. It encourages your body to use stored fat as energy, making weight management a lot easier. Just like warm water and lemon, ACV also helps you feel satisfied for longer. That feeling of fullness means you are less likely to overeat or snack unnecessarily. At the same time, it supports digestion by stimulating hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes in your stomach. This leads to faster metabolism, better breakdown of food, less constipation, and fewer issues with gas or bloating. There is even more good news. Research shows that ACV can help lower LDL cholesterol, which is often called the bad cholesterol. Lowering those levels reduces your risk of heart disease. Since abdominal fat and waist size are directly linked to cardiovascular health, reducing your belly is also a step toward protecting your heart from conditions like high blood pressure and heart failure. And that is not all. Apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial properties that fight harmful bacteria, along with antifungal and antiviral effects that keep your immune system strong. It truly works on several levels to keep your body protected. The best part is that when we take care of our physical health with natural remedies like this, it does not just improve our body, it uplifts our emotional well-being too. You feel lighter, healthier, and more confident, creating a positive cycle that benefits your entire life. When you combine these three ingredients, warm water, lemon, and apple cider vinegar, the benefits are truly remarkable. Together, they improve digestion by helping food move through your system more efficiently. They support detoxification, as enhanced blood flow helps your body remove toxins more effectively. The antioxidants in this mixture protect your cells from harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative damage. The drink helps improve cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation, leading to lower cardiovascular risk. Multiple components in this combination support your body's defense against viruses, bacteria, and fungi, enhancing your immunity. Perhaps most relevant to our goal of a flatter belly, this drink helps control appetite by making you feel satisfied, reducing the tendency to overeat. By supporting metabolism and reducing appetite, the drink helps prevent excess weight gain and can contribute to weight management. It's truly wonderful how these simple ingredients from nature, when combined, can offer so many benefits for our overall health, with specific advantages for reducing belly bloating, and creating a flatter stomach. Now let's talk about how to prepare this beneficial drink. The process is very simple. Start with 1 to 2 cups of warm water, not hot, just comfortably warm to the touch. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. You can even grate some of the lemon zest for additional benefits. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. That's it. The preparation takes just a minute or two. You can prepare this mixture and drink it all at once in the morning on an empty stomach, or you can divide it into 2 servings, 1 for the morning and 1 for the afternoon. If you choose to split it, use half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in each portion. This way you can enjoy the hydrating benefits throughout the day. While these ingredients bring amazing benefits, it is just as important to use them wisely. With lemon, for example, moderation matters. Too much lemon juice can wear down the protective enamel on your teeth over time, which is why the amounts we talked about are considered safe for most people. The same goes for apple cider vinegar. It is powerful, but too much of it can irritate your stomach or slowly erode your tooth enamel. That is why 1 tablespoon a day, split into 2 smaller portions if you prefer, is more than enough to get the benefits without any of the downside. Experts suggest following this routine for 10 days straight. Within that time, you will likely begin to notice changes such as reduced bloating, smoother digestion, and maybe even a flatter belly as the inflammation starts to calm down. After those 10 days, it is a good idea to give your body a short break of about 3 days, and then, if you like, you can start another 10-day cycle. Many people even choose to make this drink part of their everyday routine because of how light and balanced they feel with consistent use. Of course, this works best when you pair it with a healthy lifestyle. A diet full of fresh vegetables, fruits and whole foods will make the drink even more effective. Regular physical activity and staying well hydrated throughout the day are also key to seeing lasting results. The use of these ingredients for health dates back through generations. Our great-grandparents understood the power of simple, natural remedies. In many traditional medicine systems around the world, from ancient Greece to traditional Chinese medicine to indigenous healing practices, these ingredients have been valued for their healing properties. Apple cider vinegar was used by Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, over 2,000 years ago for a variety of ailments. Warm water therapies have been part of Ayurvedic traditions for thousands of years, and lemons have been prized since ancient times for their preservative and medicinal qualities. As the book of Ecclesiastes 19 tells us, what has been will be again. What has been done will be done again. There is nothing new under the sun. The wisdom of using these natural elements for health has stood the test of time. When we use this combination of warm water, lemon and apple cider vinegar, we're not only taking care of our own health, but we're also choosing natural ingredients that come from our earth. As we enjoy the benefits of this simple remedy, let's remember to be grateful for the natural world that provides these healing ingredients. Let's share this knowledge with others who might benefit from it. And let's commit to protecting our planet so that future generations can also enjoy its bounty. Remember, good health is a journey, not a destination, and sometimes the simplest remedies can make the biggest difference. Take care of yourself, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing health tips.